Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Naked Audio Tutorial. This is Yong from Sgaudiohive. Today we have with us a set of GR07 from Vsonic. This is the base edition. It's here for a teardown, reveal and a recable job. The Vsonic GR07 was launched way back in 2010, touting an 11mm dynamic driver with a biocellulose diaphragm. Its sound punches way above their release price, but has always been plagued with issues with their cables. Today we have a chance to take a look inside the Vsonic GR07 base edition. At the front of the IEM, we can find the rotating sound nozzle. As this part is machined from a brass base metal, it oxidizes easily and will need a routine cleanup with a wet wipe. To open the shell, just slide the penknife into the part line of the IEM and it will pop right open as they didn't use a strong glue for assembly. We can now take out the cable strain relief. From here, we can remove the driver from the housing, use the penknife to cut around the driver and pry it up. Underneath the driver will be the brass driver holder, and we can observe the sound tube directing the sound towards the nozzle. For a recable on this, we will need the following items. For tools, we will need soldering equipment, tweezers, markers, super glue and needle. For parts, we will need a replacement cable and a cable strain relief clamp. Desolder the original wires from the drivers. Take note to mark the positive solder pad. Remove the strain relief and install them to the new wires. Solder on the new wires and clamp on the strain relief. Finally, glue the casing together by applying super glue on the edges with a needle. Wipe off any excess glue and hold the shell together for a minute. So that's a simple recable job, and we hope that we were able to help you with this video.